So here we are in Python. I've got a variable called friends, and friends is an array, a list of strings, a list of my friends. I want to loop through it, so I'm going to use a for loop, and I'll choose n as my counter. For n in friends, colon, and with a colon there's an indent, print n. So if I run this program at the moment, hooray, it lists my friends. What I want to do now is I want to put this into a sentence, and I'm going to use what they call a string format to do that. So I'm going to put in braces where I want the name to appear. Here's my friend. Then after the speech marks, I'm put full stop. Format to tell Python I'm going to use the dot format, and then in brackets here I'm going to say what variable I want to put into the braces. So let's run that again, and you can see that now it's put my friends' names in a sentence. Now what I want to try and do is turn this into a list with numbers on it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change this for n in range length of friends. Now let's see what happens when I do this. 0 is my friend. So now n is the counter starting from 0 to 6, so there are 7 friends. Now if I change this to friends square brackets n, we're going to go back to my friends. If I wanted to put in a listing, put a number listing, I could do dot format n. So the first brace is going to have n, and the second brace is going to have array friends n. Let's see if I can. 0, 1, George. Okay, so I don't want it to start at 0, so over here I'm going to add 1 to that. Hooray! Let me just explain. If I go in here, if I print friends and I say 0, what do you think is going to be printed out? George is printed out. You can see here George is printed out. If I change this to 2, 4, I go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, should be Matthew. Yay. Matthew. Okay. So I'm taking this n counter and I'm looping through it to get my names.